Hey everyone, good morning. Today, the first thing which I have to do is to grab the book and jot down some points.
Remember the finch we rescued? Since then, giving seed has become part of the routine. Today, I am giving the seeds to my finch, just something I do now. I have to take care of them. Funny thing is that I had written down giving the seed to the finch, just that. And you know what? When you write a task in your notebook, your mind does it automatically, it does not forget.